Hey, I'm Jay from Volunteer Audio. I've got Tall from YouTube channel, Traveling Tall. We're standing in front of our event trailer because coming up soon, September 27th, we're going to be at the Smoky Mountain Harley-Davidson rally. And Traveling Tall is going to he's going to be there with us in our booth. We're going to be set up at the Foothills Mall, and from 12 o'clock to 2 o'clock on September 27th, I want you to come by and I want you to meet Traveling Tall.
I'll be there, guys. I'll be there with my Street Glide Ultra with the Volunteer Audio install done to it. So you can stop by, meet me, and more importantly, hear this motorcycle.
All right, so he's got a full Hertz system. We're going to have some other friends from Hertz with us. So we're going to have factory techs there. We're going to have Hertz's importers into the U.S. there with us as well. We're going to have some great deals. And listen, if you come by and you meet Traveling Tall, I'm going to give you $50 off of your install that week. So come down on Saturday, say hi to Tall. We'll listen to the bike. If you decide to get us to do an installation, I'm going to give you an already great deal, but I'm going to take an extra $50 off that. September 27th, noon to 2. You want to be there. That's in Maryville, Tennessee at the Foothills Mall. Come to the Volunteer Audio booth.
Foothills Mall, right?
Yep, absolutely. Hope to see you there, and God bless.